Have you ever experienced a time when you're already getting ready for your next beach trip, then suddenly you realize you forgot to shave or wax your hair? While it's definitely normal and we have our own preferences, I still personally like a no hair beach day kind of vibe. So, this video is about DIY waxing at home. I got this package from Amazon. This is a waxing kit from Trust Wellness. Most of the questions when it comes to DIY or at home care is if it's beginner friendly, is it easy to use, is it safe? I am going to walk you through how to wax at home. Well, first of all, they didn't lie when they said it has everything you need for waxing. First, you have your waxing beads. I love that it has different scents like lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint. We're gonna melt them in a pot, which I will show you guys later. You got your pre and after wax spray. It is important to prep your skin before waxing and of course to moisturize it right after to avoid any irritation. You also have big and small spatula for easy wax application depending on the body area, and of course the warming kit. This is what's being used in the salon, but now you can use it on the comforts of your home.
Sorry.
You wanted to first exfoliate the area you wanted to wax at least a night before. This will remove dead skin cells to avoid ingrown hairs and pimples, since this will soften the skin and this will give you a much better result with minimal discomfort. The waxing kit is easy as it is. First, turn the heat on to maximum. Pour on your beads, wait for it until half melted and set the desired heat for about 65 to 80 degrees Celsius. This will continuously warm up the beads until it is fully melted. Now wait until you achieve like a thick honey kind of consistency. That's when you know your wax is ready. Spray on some decent amount of pre-wax spray, and oh my god, this smells like coconut, so it's definitely giving that summer kind of vibe. Now use your spatula to scoop and apply the wax with pressure in the direction of hair growth. This will quickly dry out for about 5 to 10 seconds and peel off the wax quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Now, if you weren't able to get all of the hairs in the area, which is normal because it also depends on how long your hair is, you can reapply in thinner layer, or best to wait after 3 to 4 weeks. You don't want to over irritate the skin. Now, after waxing, use the aftershave spray to smoothen and moisturize the skin. It is normal that it's a little warm to touch. Make sure to avoid contact with moisture like hot shower or steam rooms at least 24 hours after waxing. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Odyssey, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!